My name is Lim Yansun. I'm from Singapore and currently living in Japan, Tokyo. I have taken the JLPT N4 course. I was basically browsing on Facebook, and I saw an advertisement about learning Japanese, and I wanted to improve my Japanese, so I thought I would just give it a go, and that's how I started this course basically.
At the time, are you looking for the Japanese course for the JLPT prep, or just
general Japanese learning assistance, because now I'm working from home, so I didn't have the language lessons my company provided. So I've been having a difficult time trying to learn by myself. So I figured I need to find some way to help me with my learning instead of just learning by myself. I think it's just the way it's supposed to be presented, because the way it's presented is that we just need to, it's day by day. I just need to spend like 10 minutes a day to learn, and I think that's the most important thing, because I've tried many other courses, not for Japanese, but just courses in general, and a lot of them requires you to invest like an hour or two every week, when that's a lot of time. So I can't really spare that much time a week. But if it's like 10 minutes a day, it's doable, because 10 minutes isn't a lot of time. I can learn a lot in 10 minutes, and if I just keep revising, I think I can learn more than if I have to sit down for an hour and just learn the whole thing. So I think that's the key thing that makes me want to learn from this course. Yeah. I think it's the same as just now what I said. Is that, because now, especially now, a lot of people they don't have enough time. So I think the key thing is that if the course is structured in a way that you just need to spend no more than 10 minutes to learn, and I think that's important, because like I said, now people can't really spare like an hour or two of the time to learn a course, even if it's very detailed. So like if you just spend 10 minutes, you can learn just a bit, and then for the next few days just revise and brush out your skills. I think that's a very effective way of learning, rather than just sitting through 1 hour and basically get nothing out of it. Yeah, so not really my company, just for myself, because I want to get better in Japanese, for speaking, for reading, and just in general, I want to get better in Japanese. Then also it's like a test for myself. I just like something for me to achieve. So like because if I want to learn Japanese just to speak and just to read, I probably won't push myself to learn. So I kind of want to get myself to N2, just so that I can push myself to learn, and hopefully on the way there I can become more fluent in Japanese.
Did you take the N4 already, right?
Yes.
The last time. How was that? It's good, right?
Maybe the vocabulary I might have problems. Maybe the first section I might have problems. Yeah. 緊張すぎました。緊張しすぎました。
緊張しました。
緊張しすぎました。
でも大丈夫だと思うけど。How long are you studying Japanese, by the way?
Maybe like 2 years. Before the course, I studied.
Just 2 years.
Just 2 years. Before the course in Singapore, I studied under a teacher. But then after I moved to Japan, I don't have a teacher until my company offers Japanese class, which isn't offered anymore during work from home period. So yeah, it's a very on and off. Yeah. Then after that, yeah, I basically come to Chika Sensei to learn. Yeah. That's one thing. And then one more thing is that I'm living in Japan now, so I want to learn Japanese to be more fluent, to talk to Japanese people, and basically to consume Japanese media, because in Japan all the books and all the news and everything is in Japanese. So if I understand, then I can read those rather than having nothing else to read. Yeah.
Lim-san, why did you start to learn Japanese?
Why? At first,
Because
it's
anime?
anime or game. Anime and game. Yeah. So from there, it's just interest. And then once I come to Japan, it's more of a necessity because everywhere I need Japanese. Yeah.
What is the most difficult thing to learn Japanese for you?
Maybe the vocabulary, maybe tango, because because I Chinese, so I look at kanji, I understand what it means, but the problem is I can't read it because
But you understand the meaning, right?
I understand the meaning, yes, but the yomikata, maybe I don't understand. So when someone says something, I don't understand because I don't understand the yomikata. But if you show me the kanji, I understand because I know what it is. I think that's the most difficult part. Also, I think around that line is also maybe because I learn Chinese. So a lot of time when I see kanji, I'm very tempted to just say in Chinese, which is wrong. Yeah, so that's a problem.
どうもありがとうございます。ありがとうございます。
ありがとうございます。